So it's been about 20 minutes since I started cooking these, and if you look, you can see that there's lots of juice now. The berries are still very intact, and I'm going to show you. I'll get rid of the wooden spoon. I'm going to show you what you want to look for. We make things in the juice. I'm just using the white plate simply so you can see the color. See when I pour the color on the white, see how nice and bright the juice is? That's what you're looking for. It just means the flavor's transferred. Another little grandma hint, if you don't have granite, you don't have to worry about it, but I do have granite. Very expensive, much loved granite. So one of the things that I have to do is when using berries, you have to make sure cooking anything with berries, it's got a lot of natural dye. You got to be careful of your granite countertops, because if they're not sealed right, and that juice can go in there and dye them, and your toast, you will never get the dye out. So he's going to give me a nice clean jar. I'll put that on there. I'm going to fill it till it's about 1 inch from the top, giving it enough headroom. These are nice small jars. It makes enough for, 2 or 3 servings for desserts. And I'll put that to the side, and he's gonna put a lid and a ring on. Wipe the top off. Not that it really needs it because I've used the liner, but we'll put a top on in case you don't have a liner. Now screw it on. Now you want to put it on tight, but not too tight. Just finger tight's good enough. Okay. I'll do one more, and then I'll trust that's enough example for you. This here's a really good berry syrup to use on cakes. My granddaughter was here visiting, and I made a plain vanilla cake, and because that's what she asked for. And once she got it, then she was like, "Grandma, can we make berry topping?" And I'm like, "Yeah." So we just used what I had in the freezer and whipped up a berry topping. And then she just poured it right on top of the icing, and was it ever good? So I will show you that in the blog. But see, now some people will go ahead and can this afterwards. I'm not going to. In the olden days, we used to call this hot packing, and the lids will snap down on their own. If they don't snap, I would go ahead and can them 10 minutes in a hot water bath. However, I'd be more liable to just put them in the fridge and use the 1 or 2 that didn't settle, that did not seal. I just use them within the next few days. I'll do one more and that's it. There you go. Okay. Hope you found the video helpful.